If you want to move around your SketchUp model in the most natural way possible, the Look Around tool is exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Look Around tool in SketchUp 2026, how to activate it, how to control your view, and how to set your eye height for more realistic interior navigation and technical viewing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more SketchUp tips and tutorials. Now let's get started. The Look Around tool is designed to simulate a person standing in one spot and turning their head, which makes it perfect for viewing interiors, walkthroughs, and detailed assemblies from a fixed position. To activate it, go up to the camera menu at the top of SketchUp and click Look Around. You can also find it in the camera toolbar, and it is included in the large toolset if you have that enabled. Another quick way to access it is by using the Position Camera tool first. That's the little person icon. When you use Position Camera to drop yourself into the model, SketchUp automatically switches to Look Around so you can immediately see what is in front of you. Once the tool is active, your cursor will change into an eye icon, which tells you that you are now in Look Around mode. From here, click and drag anywhere on the screen to turn your view. If you drag left or right, you will swivel horizontally just like turning your head. If you drag up or down, you can look toward the ceiling or down at the floor. This gives you a very realistic way to inspect the inside of a model without moving your position. One of the most useful features of Look Around is setting your eye height. While the tool is active, look down at the measurements box in the bottom right corner. It will show your current eye height, and you can change it at any time by typing in a new value. For example, you can type 170 for 170 centimeters or 5 feet 6 inches if you want 5 feet 6 inches, then press enter. SketchUp will move the camera to that exact height, which is incredibly helpful when you want your view to match a real person's perspective. This is especially useful for interior design, architecture, product assembly, or any technical scene where correct viewing height matters. A quick tip here is to use Look Around after placing the camera in a good starting position because it gives you the most control over what the viewer sees without shifting the location of the camera itself. So the workflow is simple. Activate Look Around from the camera menu, toolbar, or Position Camera tool, drag to look around, and adjust your eye height in the measurements box when needed. And that is how to use the Look Around tool in SketchUp 2026. If this helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next SketchUp tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.